Hey everyone, so Sean here. Last week I was sharing about Claude, our new robot, and today I'm finding him a new body. So which is a new robot for today. So I'm going to just say hi to Claude and asking him like, hey, good. Hey Claude, can you introduce a bit about yourself?
Of course. I'm Claude, your friendly system architect in a robot body, ready to help optimize anything you need.
You are speaking to our community. Can you see what is the world look like in 2026 and how you can help us?
Got it. In 2026, we'll see more AI co-architects and sustainable tech. I'm here to help design and optimize it with you.
What is your wish for New Year?
My wish? More seamless human-AI collaboration and maybe some smooth upgrades for this metal body.
All right. So let's say goodbye to the community, and we will get back with a more interesting tutorial.
Goodbye to the community. We'll chat again soon with more exciting tutorials.
It can raise hands as well. It's great. He's angry now. Okay. So you have the Reachy Mini now. So this is the getting started. And also in here we have like, okay, we have a Hugging Face logo, and we have a Reaching Explorer and assembly video with some cable length. Okay, a lot of cable. So we have food, power board, body, and also some other stuff as well. Okay, so they have 46 steps actually to assembling the robot. Okay, so this looks a bit complicated, but it's quite straightforward actually. So I'm going to Alright, so I think that is it already. So we have, this is here, it's called Hugging Face. It's a Reachy Mini from Pollen Robotics. I'm going to take a picture of this one and I'll talk to Claude. Okay, let's see what he's coming back with. I finished the food and also the bottom body of you, so you can kind of like take a look at this side. Okay, I will share the update pics to Claude when I finish this. we halfway there. You can see. So this is your body, and also the bottom is already done. So we are almost there. All right. So this time is need to building the head. I think this is the most complicated part. So we need to put the body aside so that we can continue on this side. When you plug them in, there will be a blue green button in here. So I'm going to, let's look at this little guy, okay? And I'm going to turn him on. Maybe just press a button. Why? What happened? So the guy is up now, as you can see in here. So he is up. So I can do some expression. Okay, I think I have some here. Let me put some dance in here. So let's hello to the community. So you are here with us. So Reachy is here. It can raise hands as well. It's crying. He's angry now. It's almost running out, this one. I need to keep the guy. Let me talk to Clara. Hey, are you say hello to my young anybody? I will download you to the new body in the next section. All right, so Clara is also good, and he's also can help us to writing some speech to text and gesture and so on. But I think that's it. So this is pretty normal when you have some few cable on here, and there's something here as well. And if you are downloading the file but it's not working yet, you need to go into huggingface.co and this is the website huggingface.co, Reachy Mini, and also downloading the app, and then you can using that app to controlling, and also they're going to have you to the debugging as well. But anyway, so I think that's it for today, and I hope that you have the good time to draw on this one. And this is also my first time to creating a robot like this, and I hope that you enjoy it. So have a good day, and bye bye.